Hi, my name is Norman. I often hear people ask, where do I start if everything is so complicated? The answer is simple. Start small. I have only two tools that underpin my entire approach. They are clear, simple, and give clear signals. Today, I'll tell you why I chose them and how to use them so you don't waste energy on unnecessary steps. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. I won't keep you waiting, let's get started. First, let's prepare the tools for work. I set classic candles with a time frame of 10 seconds. Go to the Indicators tab and select OSMA and Stochastic Oscillator. Let's configure OSMA. Set Signal SMA period to 5. Set Fast EMA period to 10. Set Slow EMA period to 20. Go to Style. Set the histogram to yellow and move the opacity to the right. Save, let's configure the Stochastic Oscillator. Set K period to 10. Smoothing type, TMA. Go to Style. Disable D period. Set K period to gray, width 2. For lines 80 and 20, move the opacity to the right. Save. The indicators are ready to go. Friend, if you still have questions after watching the video, be sure to write to me in private messages on Telegram, and I will be happy to help you. I start with a confident movement in the market. Expiration is 1 minute. I open a trade to sell for $500. Now, I will tell you how to work with this strategy to quickly find entry points and understand the logic of the signals. It's really simple. First, let's look at the OSMA indicator. Its columns have changed direction to downward, which is the first sign of a downward movement. This is a signal that buyers are gradually losing control and sellers are starting to increase pressure on the price. Next, we move on to the stochastic oscillator. Here, we see how the gray line has crossed the turquoise line from top to bottom. This crossover is the second additional confirmation of the downward scenario and indicates that the downward momentum is gaining strength. The start is encouraging, a $460 profit and a confident attitude to continue working. If you want to stay up to date with all the latest trading ideas and receive daily analytics, join my free Telegram channel. We discuss strategies, share experiences, and support each other. Didn't understand something in the video? Write to me. I'll be happy to explain. The link to the channel is in the description. Come and grow with us. In Telegram, you will find proven tips and useful information for successful trading. Join while it's still available. A new situation is emerging on the chart. I set the expiration to 1 minute and open a buy trade for $1,000. After a brief consolidation at the top of the chart, the market seems to have gained new momentum. The candles begin to lengthen noticeably, indicating increased activity among participants and stronger buying pressure. The upward movement unfolds with increasing confidence, each new candle reinforcing the previous one, forming a clear upward rhythm. Such dynamics often indicate that participants who were waiting during the sideways movement have begun to actively enter the market, pushing the price to new levels. If this pace continues, the upward momentum could develop into a sustained trend with continued growth. The execution is clear. Another $920 in profit, and everything is going according to plan. The market is changing direction. With an expiration of 1 minute, I open a sell trade for $2,000. After a long and steady upward movement, a series of red candles began to form on the chart, clearly indicating an increase in seller activity. This price behavior often indicates that buyers are gradually losing momentum, and pressure from sellers is becoming more noticeable. The appearance of consecutive bearish candles in this zone may be a sign of the beginning of a reversal, or at least a deep correction. Judging by the current dynamics, the probability of a continued decline is high, and if this momentum continues, we can expect a positive result from the further development of the downward movement. An excellent moment. I lock in $1,840 in profit, and the balance is steadily gaining height. I end the session on a strong note. I set the timer for 1 minute and open a buy trade for $2,000. The chart is currently showing a prolonged downward movement, which is gradually losing momentum. The candles are getting shorter, and the seller's momentum is noticeably weakening. At this point, both indicators are simultaneously signaling an upturn, which is a clear sign of a change in market sentiment. This combination of signals often indicates that the downward movement has come to an end, and buyers are beginning to take the initiative. Judging by the current picture, we can expect a new upward momentum to form, which could develop into sustained growth and bring positive results. The final result is impressive, a gain of $1,840. The final balance reaches $5,988. The results are impressive. The balance grew from $928 to $5,988. Diverse market scenarios and discipline in each entry once again yielded strong results. If you have any questions about the methodology itself or want to understand it more deeply, feel free to write to me on Telegram. I will be happy to help. Thank you very much for watching, liking, and subscribing to the channel. See you soon, and happy trading.